as we wandered goodbye on the last jog. Brandon was angry when he saw what we'd done, and Mum said, "Oh, come on, the store's just for fun." 'Cause they weren't in agreement at all of what she could give to the White Elephant Store. Mum said, "Let's stop then, and besides the light is dying." And later that night I could hear my granddad crying. Mum said, "I'm sorry, Dad, but I was only trying to leave you less to do when it's just the two of you." At the time I didn't understand, but later I knew. The thing was amazing, the village transformed. There was stall after stall after stall, and there were so many people, the whole place just swarmed. You should have seen the church hall. I kept close eye on the bric-a-brac stock, and when Mum wasn't looking, I brought her doll back. 'Cause we weren't in agreement at all of what she could give to the White Elephant Store. And I'll never forget it at all, of how happy Mum was at the White Elephant Store. Let's go find my grandma.